today's a semi-final game. Let's hope for good win and for good match. Thank you.
Okay. And what about you? About the match today, bro? Sira?
Many players are injured, no, so I don't think so we'll win today. No.
Okay, then. And Carlos, what about the match for today? Hey, speak now. What? Our president, speak, man.
What?
Oh, what our match will go today?
Football will go to be strong because dua player.
Okay, thanks. And you, bro?
Today then we'll win.
You think that you will be? You rejoice? Hey, monkey below. Our Messi is we don't like to speak today because his player is 3-2% is injured. And you are really? Huh? And what about you, Clown?
Abi tu orang clear mulia. Orang gas ni. Cari film.
Spain, huh?
This match is going to play this now. We are playing.
Then how you feel? You'll win or what, bro?
We'll see in the when we play. How
okay.
the match is going.
Okay, good.
We'll look the player how will be.
Chen, we will win or will not win today, bro?
Oh, today if you do two broken heart are full confident, then we'll win.
Oh, okay then.
Don't help each other, not win.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Is injuries.
That's why
Yes, that's why.
we don't know will win or will not.
Those who are having here also they are a bit strong only.
Oh, okay.